Hi, I'm Mimi, and I'm from Santa Monica. My project is about the youthfulness of elderly people. I would say that both my Nana and Tata are my inspiration for this project because as I see them getting older, I value my time with them more. So my grandfather would be like, "You're taking forever!" I talked to a group of seniors from the NoHo Senior Arts Colony about their art and how that keeps them young.
It's enjoyable, if you do something and you produce something, like, oh, that's cool, And the people in the class kind of keeps me young.
Creativity. You use your brain and it keeps you going.
Giving somebody something to work with.
In an improv class, if you start thinking about yourself and what you're doing, then you get meticulous and it just doesn't work.
It's not so like a control situation.
Right.
You just kind of go, and that's very freeing. I don't look like I'm an expert in that, but I have been to several planets.
All by yourself in your own spaceship?
I think that shooting seniors is a bit different than shooting young people because whenever you bring a camera to someone who's younger, they're automatically starting to pose. And I think with seniors, there's less of a what does society think of me and more of what do they think of themselves. I did my best to get some candid photographs. I wanted to go with a documentary style, and so I just kept the camera kind of like at my hip because for a lot of the shots, I just wanted to keep it natural, and I tend to do that when I want to be in the conversation a bit more. The most powerful part of photography in spreading good is that it can connect all sorts of different people. Like right now, I'm photographing old people and that can be connected to young people. And I think it's such a great thing.
Art keeps me young because I've always done it.
This experience confirmed for me that art is a great way of keeping active. And whether it's your grandparents or a friend, ask questions of the old folks in your life. You really learn a lot about life in general. They're so open to sharing stories and wisdom.